Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make crumbled cookies in a mug. We are going to use the following ingredients: some self-rising flour, some sugar, butter, 1 egg, some vanilla extract or vanilla sugar if you want, some chocolate or any other topping you want to add, a mug and a microwave. So the first thing you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to put that in the microwave to make sure that it melts. Pour the butter into your mug and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can add as much vanilla sugar as you want. If you're using vanilla extract, then I would make sure that you only use 1 or 2 drops, because or else it will get too vanilla-y. Add 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour to your mug. Break your egg and make sure that you're only left with the yellow part of the egg, because we won't be needing the rest of it. Add that yellow yumminess to your mix and start mixing. So now you should have something that looks like this. Now grab your chocolate and just start making little pieces of it. It really depends on how big you want for the chunks to be. And by the way, if you're wondering, these super cute hands belong to my little sister Raina. Now put the mug in the microwave, set it on 900 watt and leave it in for about 1.5 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it. And yep, that's my pajamas that you can see in the reflection of the microwave. How charming. Your cookie is now ready. Take it out of the microwave and check if the structure is really nice and crumbly, and that it looks golden brown, and that all the chocolate is melted. So that's it. That was my super duper easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed my first not so cooking video, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you try this out, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.